how to join a gang in Streetz War 2. So the very first thing that you do before you go into the Roblox.com official site is you will be able to find and look for available gangs that you can join on Streetz War. Now, where can you find it? So you'll have to use any kinds of platforms, either Snapchat, Reddit, maybe Facebook, or Instagram. So those are the platforms available for you to be able to look for the name of the club or the gang that you wanted to join. All you have to do is just to take note of that gang name and go back to your Roblox.com's account. Now, once you're here, head over to communities. That's going to be located at the left portion of your screen. Now, once you have taken down note of the gang that you'd like to join, and this is going to be the page in which you'll have to input the gang name. So, say for example, let's look for Street Wars 2 community. So there's gonna be a bunch of options that you should be able to see. So there is no instant button, just simply clicking on that and you'll be able to join that gang. All I have to do is to apply first and take note on the gang name. Search it under the community on Roblox.com's page, and you'll have to send a request that you'd like to join the gang. And that's it. That's the only thing that you can do for you to be able to look or to join a gang in Streets War 2.